Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So here on the front right wheel, so looking at the wheel, you're gonna have some scuffs, scratches, little water stains. I don't see any curb rash though. And then looking at the tread, overall looks good. Now this truck does have scuffs and scratches throughout, and you're gonna see some little dimples in the paint here and there. So it's by no means perfect. You're gonna see little dimples throughout. Overall though, the fender looks good. You can see on the glass, you have these little bubbles of some sort, and then this trim has dry rotted. Looking at the A-pillar, typical little scuffs and scratches. You got some overpaint here from the mirrors. Got a hole right here on that weather stripping. Some little specks in the paint there. You can see just kind of overspray on the trim here. Looking at the door. Typical little scuffs. Got some paint runs here. But overall looks good. I don't see any major body damage. Got some little scuffs. Making our way down the bedside. That graphic looks perfect. Got a scuff right there. And looking at this wheel, you do have some corrosion right there. I don't see any curb rash. You're gonna see some little water stains. These tires look good. And then you got the bed liner in here. Here on the top side of the hood, you're gonna have some rock chips here and there. But so far, overall, it looks really good. You can see that edge looks nice. Typical little scuffs. Overall, those lenses look nice. That bow tie looks good. You're gonna have these little fading spots every once in a while on the inside. Those lenses look nice. Overall, those are clean. Typical little scuffs. Got some chips. There's a gash right there. A couple more chips every once in a while. You can see some scuffs on these lenses. See from the paint here, and then this is faded. And looking down here, that light looks awesome. And then here on this side, this piece is broke. The light looks good though. All right, checking out the engine bay. Okay, checking out the driver's side, looking at the fender, typical little scuffs, got some little dimples in the paint. There is a gash right there that was painted over. That trim looks nice. Lower section looks good. This tire does have a bubble in it. And looking at the wheel, the finish overall looks good. No curb rash. A couple little scuffs. Here on the side mirror, you can see this section here has been touched up. You can see it had some sort of rain guard on it at some point. You can see that line. Got some damage there that was touched up. A couple rock chips here and there. You can see the paint is chipping away around the handle. Couple chips down here. And then typical little scuffs. Got some touch up there. That graphic looks good. Got a chip here. And looking at that wheel, no curb rash. That tire looks good. And then checking out the tailgate. Typical little scuffs. That graphic looks awesome. Exhaust tips look good. You do have a large gash right there. Typical little scuffs. Got a crack here on the bumper edge. And you have some damage down here. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. You can see the material here is pretty wore out. Handle's a little loose. You do have some stains throughout this area. Got some light separation in the material from the backing. Overall, that lower area looks good. Typical chips and stuff here. Looking at the door jambs. Got some scuffs and scratches from getting in and out every day. That trim looks nice. That plastic looks good. Got some fabric missing here. That cushion is wore out. You can feel the wrinkles in it. Got a hole here. A couple holes there. You got a hole right there. Looking at the steering wheel, typical little scuffs and scratches. We got some stains throughout the cover here. See some of the red is rubbing off there. And then the graphic is kind of missing on the hood. Got the billet gauge cover. Little scuffs every once in a while. And looking at these buttons. Overall, those look really nice. You can see the material here has a bunch of stains on it, a couple scratches. And some little gashes every once in a while. All right, looking at this door panel, you can see the material separating here. Overall, that carpet looks good. The handle is loose. That trim looks awesome. This plastic looks good. All that looks nice. See, that's nice and soft. This seat looks really good. That side of the console looks good. You can see some chips, little imperfections there. Overall, the dash looks nice. You can see some little snags on the edge here. Overall, looks good. Got some stains. Headliner looks good. And then looking at the rearview mirror, you do have some sort of imperfections here.